3 people currently.
Is Xavier on his bike?
No. He had his break, remember?
Yeah. Oh, that bike actually felt so nice.
Touching grass.
No, I wasn't touching grass.
Wait,
'Cause I'm allowed
wait,
to
who has
grass.
lost? Guys, couldn't. How much sanity do you have?
37.
I turned it 2. I get the coffee.
Yeah, Zavo, you get the coffee.
I got this.
Yeah, you got them. This guy just needs herbs. Most people are just healing. This guy just needs herbs. Okay, I guess we can all go on our break and just relax here in the lounge.
Wait, what about room 7? What about room 7?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, I'll go room 7. I'll go room 7. I'm good with room 7. It's so easy for me.
Oh.
Don't look up.
I know.
The best room for me is 6. I think that's easy.
Guys, I'll do room 5.
Scan complete.
Oh, then my room 5
Who's still in their pajamas?
Yeah, you're going in.
Room 2 is done.
This game's actually really fun, isn't it?
What the hell? My robot Hoover just went in my room.
My what? Your what?
My robot Hoover.
The shift is over.
Yeah.
Why doesn't he want us to die?
He said don't die.
Yeah, but why doesn't he?
Because then he gets money.
If we die.
That means 0 deaths. We're doing so good.
Yeah. We are the goals of this game.
He's not moving. He won't move. Hey, you're not meant to be going in here.
I got an X taser.
Oh, taser.
I upgraded the printer so we can print faster.
I think I got
Oh
it.
yeah, I was hoping to buy some of that stuff.
Yeah, because the upgrades are actually really good.
Did we get any patient deaths yet?
What?
Did we get
Oh,
any
that guy
deaths?
is an anomaly. I killed him.
Okay, good. Matthew is never an anomaly.
Yeah.
Guys, did we get any anomalies yet? I mean dead patients.
Yeah, do not.
Matthew's in room 3.
I treat you. He's my bro. I understand him because he's a
Yeah,
he's
he's my bro
I
as well.
understand nice.
Guys, Ratu is all of our bros.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
our bro. He's our homie.
Ratu never tried to kill us.
Yeah,
Yeah, because he's never an anomaly.
he's just a mouse. At first, when I first met him, I thought he was an anomaly. Connell, you got
Say
that?
when you bring him.
I'm chilling with Ashley, so how should I Ashley? Oh, you're going to Lost Beach. That's cool. Oh, and you're going to Kilmore. And you're going to Tremor. Damn, that's a lot of stuff you're doing today, Rachu.
Wait, who are you talking to, Daniel?
Rachu.
Oh,
I'm talking to Rachu.
The lights just flickered, guys. Is that normal?
Yeah,
yeah.
it's alright. This is an old building.
It's not really though.
Yeah, for sure. This guy's in a
Room 6 and 8. Room 6 and 8. Room 6 and 8.
Yeah, everything's
I'll be room 8. Guys, I'll do roommate. I'll do roommate. I'll do roommate.
I'm on cameras.
Daniel, don't go on cams because we need you. There's a lot of patience.
I'm just watching for any anomaly.
Daniel, I'm telling you, I can do cans. Help Connell or be a doctor. Okay, now it's getting weird. The lights are flickering like hella.
I got 7.
I was doing a surgery. Where's the med kit then?
Oh yeah, Connor, if you get surgery fast, when you do surgery, you get extra seconds. You know,
Oh, that's good.
if you do surgery class.
Okay, the surgery's done. I'm gonna do 6.
Sibyl, my boy. Mom.
If a patient says
I'll be back in 10 seconds,
They're
guys.
an anomaly.
This isn't a break. I'm just going to do one thing. It's going to take 10 seconds.
I'll get what he needed.
He needs
IV drops.
IV drop. Yeah, that's it. Just IV drops.
Okay, I
And
got it.
you give that to him and I'll be doing something else. Ron's recovered.
Vlog
Oh,
from my
I'm
camp.
doing one. Why is there no penguins or turtles in this game?
I don't know. And there's no Cappies.
Happy cat! Oh my god, Happy's right here. Oh.
Wait, what's
Where?
a Cappy?
Where is the Skywalker?
I don't know.
I saved the patient.
Thank you,
Oh,
Xavier.
thank you. Thank you, Xavier. He was actually on the last second as well.
Give him the coffee.
Okay. Room 1 is recovering. There's the room.
His picture will look bad though. If you look at the photo. Look at his photo. Look at his photo.
Yeah, what? What? Tasting.
No, Daniel, open it! See, you can't shoot him.
Oh.
Did you give him the coffee?
Yeah.
And we gave him his photo.
Oh.
His very weird ass photo.
Okay, everyone's just recovering. I think 7's nearly done.
Is it cooking?
It's just one more person. Oh wait guys, that was my fault.
Bro, one of my keys are broken.
Which one?
My Q.
Okay.
My Q is broken.
Oh. But that's not an important key.
I never used it.
It's not like WASD. They're the most important.
Yeah, I know.
If they're broken, you're cooked, basically.
You can't even move.
His space is also pretty good. Space is pretty good too.
Yes, this report. The doctor doesn't come anymore for some reason. And they tell us the shift's over.
Shift 7's the only one who doesn't.
I might find a teddy bear, guys. I might find a teddy bear.
Teenage Daniel by it.
I got the clock! I got the clock!
Someone buy the taser. I'm not buying it because I'm saving up for the revive teddy bear.
What? I got the taser.
I got the clock.
I got a better DNA scanner. 50% faster.
Run for it,
I
Daniel!
know. I'm on it.
Ah. Who gets the next coffee? I've only taken one coffee. I've only taken one coffee.
I have 46 sanity.
Oh, Daniel, back! Here!
Wait, I have 46 sanity. Okay.
Wait, guys, if you give an entity the right treatment and like stuff, does he start chasing you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good to know. So we always kill them. I don't know if we... I have room 7. Room 7's so easy for me.
Where? Go on shift A. Hello, cooking.
Okay, he's good.
Guys, I'm back!
Okay.
And I went flying.
Is someone handling room 5?
Yeah.
Abli, abli.
Abela, 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 abela.
Abli, 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 yeah. Guys, I need coffee. Who took a coffee?
I didn't.
I didn't.
Daniel.
I didn't!
Daniel!
I didn't take it!
I have 5 sanity.
Remember what Kyle said? You'll find yesterday.
I'm not gonna leave. Oh
What?
no! No!
Yeah! So you're gonna make it. There's only 60 seconds. Frenchie.
Well, how sanity do you have?
I have 31.
Do not give it to 49.
I need it.
Yeah. Do
Yeah,
not give
never
it to
get-
Frenchie. Save
Tell
money.
Frenchie to go away.
Yeah, we need it more than you do.
Close the shutters.
You have to breakfast?
Yeah.
Are you dressed?
Yeah. Why?
Because I made home for